How's it going, everybody? I appreciate you stopping by. I'm going to be starting something new on my channel where I'm just going to go by episodes, and I'm going to do it in the state that I'm in. So obviously Wisconsin at 400 feet. My first episode. I'm only going to do this for cinematic. For my FPV, that's going to be something totally different. But yeah, I'm going to do that. If you would like, comment, subscribe if you're interested. I humbly ask you, if you like what you see, that you consider subscribing, and especially comment. I love it when people comment. Find out where they're from. If they fly drones or if they don't, if they like what they see, stuff like that. If they got any recommendations, whatever. Yeah, so please leave a comment. That's the other thing. I appreciate them. So I'm going to show everybody my drones. I got a lot of them. This isn't all of them, but I'm going to show you some. It's a lot. All right, so I got the wall, but I got stuff where I don't have space for it. The 360. Yeah. I got lots of goggles. The Mini 5 Pro. I heard that and the Neo 2, that they might be banning them for the LiDAR. That's not cool. So today is going to be the Skyrover X1. It's been my go-to. I'm going to try to change it up, though, on the drones. So I'm not always doing the same drone, but this is a pretty nice drone, the Skyrover. I mainly have DJI. I have a ton of DJI products, but I'm going to do the Skyrover X1. I'm not sure if that one's on the maybe banned list for the LiDAR, but I think it's just if you're going to try to get a drone. I don't think they're going to block you if you already have it. At least I hope they're not. Everybody kind of knew it was coming a little bit, but let's just hope it's not. Yeah, because that would really suck. I think it's a DJI Mini 5 Pro, the Air 3S, the Neo 2, and maybe the Avata 360. I'm not sure if that has LiDAR or not, but yeah. All right, so let's get this drone in the air. Let's go.
Thank God he doesn't like to make out. Dog, and don't stop licking.